Now, as I am sure some of you humans are aware, tomorrow is the 4th of July, also commonly known as Independence Day, the day where America celebrates its freedom. A very common activity to do on 4th of July is to light fireworks. Well, this evening, I am here to tell you a secret. Come closer. Daleks invented fireworks. We have invented fireworks as a way to signal the Daleks to Earth. So, essentially what happens is if you light a firework, it'll catch the attention of a Dalek. Or possibly a whole army and fleet of them. However, not all Daleks designed fireworks. For example, those little triangular ones that don't really go up in the air, just make a bit of a flare. I kind of mind, but anyway, those ones we did not design. We did not invent sparklers either. It's the rocket ones that we invented. The others were designed by humans. The humans were brainwashed into thinking fireworks are a pure human invention. But the truth is we made them. The next time you light a firework, you are essentially saying, Hey, Dalek fleet, come invade my planet. That would be appreciated. Come invade us so we can be exterminated. Do you still want to light fireworks tomorrow? Answer wisely or be exterminated. Exterminate, exterminate, exterminate.